Greetings from the road. Today I'm at Ross and Jennifer Lilleker's place, Lilleker Antique Auto Restoration in College Station, Texas. That's Jennifer leaving right there, I think. If you want to come here, you got to call them because normally it's visitors by appointment only. But since I'm Polish and I'm ethnically impaired, they're kind enough to let me walk in without an appointment. So I'm walking down the driveway here, and I always kid Ross because he has at least 3 or 4 trailers here, and I think he should be in the trailer sales business because he'd probably be able to sell those too. I met him a few years ago when I dropped off a Model T for Robert Blanchard, and I always like, when I can, when I'm in the area, to stop by his shop and see what he's got, what he's working on. It's always different. This is one of the most dynamic restoration shops in the country. Most of the shops I go to, the guys working in the shop are north of 50 or 60. Ross has mostly younger guys, tech school students. So he gives them a job and he gives them an opportunity to learn the trade and learn what they're teaching in school and apply it in a practical standpoint. That's one of his workers I was talking to. This nice Ford truck there. In the shop and see what's going on. There always seems to be a modern car in the driveway that somebody's working on. Got some carts up there. Here's an Since I was here last, they closed off this portion of the shop to air condition it. Ross does everything from babbiting work to complete engine restorations to complete automobile restorations. Here's a 15 that's in for restoration work. Again, if you have a Model T or a Model A and you need any work done on it at all, whether you need Babbitt work, an engine overhaul, in the College Station, Texas area, which is easily accessible to Interstate 10, you'll find Lilleker Auto Restoration, Ross and Jennifer Lilleker. That's it from the road. Hope everybody has a good day. Thank you.